This is Rwanda, the Singapore of Africa. We look at 50 technologies transforming the nation.
Welcome to the RWA Innovation Hub, empowering youth through technology, engineering, and skills development.
In the heart of Africa lies a nation that has transformed its story into a symbol of progress, innovation, and resilience. This is Rwanda, a country where mountains touch the clouds, where technology meets tradition, and where ambition drives a new generation forward. Known as the land of 1,000 hills, Rwanda is one of Africa's cleanest, safest, and most organized nations. Its capital city, Kigali, has become a rising hub of modern architecture, smart infrastructure, and digital innovation. Over the last decades, Rwanda has redefined what development means, embracing technology, renewable energy, digital government, education, and green growth. From medical delivery drones to smart mobility, from clean energy to fintech, Rwanda is not just catching up with the world, it is helping to shape the future of Africa. Today, Rwanda stands as a powerful example of how vision, leadership, and innovation can change a nation and inspire a continent. Rwanda is quickly becoming one of the most innovative and technology-driven countries on the African continent. While some nations built wealth through natural resources, Rwanda is investing in knowledge, digital infrastructure, and future technologies. Today, we will highlight 50 technologies that are currently used or emerging in Rwanda across healthcare, agriculture, finance, mobility, energy, and education. These technologies are shaping the country's digital transformation and preparing Rwanda for a smart, sustainable future. Let's begin. 1. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is already used in Rwanda for diagnostics, medical data analysis, agriculture yield prediction, financial risk scoring, customer service chatbots, and emerging Kinyarwanda language models. AI is slowly becoming part of everyday life, especially in service delivery. 1. 2. Robotics. Robotics is still early, but Rwanda has adopted service robots in hospitals during the COVID-19 period, and robotics is now taught in STEM labs, polytechnics, and innovation hubs across the country. Rwanda is building talent in this field for future industry use. 3. Drone technology. Rwanda is a continental reference in drones. Medical delivery drones by Zipline have become a global case study. Drones are also used for mapping, agriculture monitoring, land surveying, and disaster assessment, positioning Rwanda as a leader in drone innovation. 4. Automation. Automation systems are used in irrigation, factories, tax operations, then public transport. Tap-and-go ticketing systems support Kigali's bus network and reduce queues while improving efficiency. 5. Energy solutions. Rwanda invests heavily in solar home systems, mini-grids, battery storage, and pumping systems to expand rural electrification. Companies like Box and Ignite Power have been key players in enabling access. 2. 6. Smart farming or agri-tech. Digital farmer registries, remote crop monitoring, drone spraying, livestock sensors, and automated subsidy systems are transforming agriculture and improving efficiency for rural farmers. 7. Green and climate technologies. These include biogas digesters, clean cookstoves, e-waste recycling, water filtration systems, and green building products. Rwanda prioritizes climate resilience and sustainability. 8. Electric mobility or e-mobility. Rwanda is one of Africa's fastest adopters of electric mobility, with electric motorcycles, bikes, scooters, pilot e-buses, and growing charging station networks. Companies like Ampersand and Safi are driving innovation. 9. Smart city technologies. Kigali is testing smart lighting, CCTV analytics, traffic management, and smart payments as part of a growing smart city ecosystem. 10. Fintech and digital payments. Mobile money, QR payments, tap to pay, and digital government payments have made Rwanda one of the leading cashless economies in Africa. 3. 11. Educational technology or EdTech. Smart classrooms, digital exams, robotics academies, and e-learning platforms are helping students and teachers adapt to digital learning. 12. Biotechnology and medical innovation. Rwanda is exploring vaccine manufacturing pilots, medical drone logistics, and telemedicine platforms to support health resilience. 13. Cybersecurity and digital identity. Digital ID systems, cybersecurity units, and data protection frameworks support safe digital transactions and government services. 14. Cloud computing. Government and private companies use cloud systems for data storage, banking services, and digital platforms, making digital transformation possible at scale. 15. Internet of Things or IoT. IoT devices support smart meters, mobility sensors, agriculture tools, and environmental monitors. 4. 16. 3D printing. 3D printing is growing in STEM labs and startup prototyping, enabling faster product design and innovation. 17. Blockchain and digital ledger technology. Blockchain is being tested for land records, certificates, fintech, traceability, and education use cases. 18. GIS and remote sensing. GIS tools support city planning, land mapping, agriculture monitoring, and disaster response. 19. Re-government or GovTech. Rwanda is recognized for digital government services including Irembo, e-taxation, digital health records, and digital IDs. 20. Telecom, 4G, and emerging 5G. Nationwide 4G infrastructure, fiber expansion, and a 5G pilot in Kigali support all other technologies mentioned. 5. 21. Smart manufacturing. Factories in special economic zones use CNC machining, production management software, and automation to boost efficiency. 22. Digital tourism and virtual reality. VR and digital booking platforms enhance tourism by creating virtual experiences such as gorilla trekking. 23. Digital media and creative tech. Animation, digital filmmaking, music production, and VFX studios are growing, building Rwanda's creative economy. 24. Fintech APIs. APIs from telecoms and banks enable innovation in payments, lending, and financial applications. 25. Logistics technology. Fleet tracking, warehouse automation, and parcel routing systems make delivery faster and more reliable. 6. 26. InsurTech. Digital and micro-insurance platforms are emerging for health, agriculture, and mobility. 27. Digital agriculture marketplaces. Platforms connect farmers to buyers, improving transparency, pricing, and traceability. 28. Health informatics. Hospitals use digital record systems and imaging software to support diagnosis and data management. 29. Bioenergy technologies. Biogas, biofuel research, and biomass conversion contribute to renewable energy strategies. 30. Water management technology. Filtration systems, sensors, and smart meters improve water quality and distribution. 7. 31. EV battery and charging ecosystem. Battery swapping, charging hubs, and BMS systems are being deployed to support mobility. 32. E-learning and digital assessments. LMS platforms, online exams, and bootcamps support digital education at all levels. 33. Telecom infrastructure technology. Backbone fiber, satellites, and towers ensure national connectivity. 34. Satellite and space technology. Rwanda's satellite projects support environmental monitoring and education connectivity. 35. Smart security technology. Advanced surveillance tools and crime analytics improve safety in urban environments. 36. Digital agriculture finance. Farmers access credit through digital scoring and mobile financing. 8. 37. Edutainment and gamification. Learning is being enhanced through games and interactive systems, especially for youth. 38. E-commerce and digital marketplaces. Online retail and food delivery platforms are growing rapidly in urban centers. 39. Climate and carbon data systems. Climate models and carbon tracking tools support environmental planning and policy. 40. Smart mobility and transport tech. Tap-to-pay systems, fleet monitoring, and ride-hailing apps support urban transport innovation. 41. Digital real estate or PropTech. Digital platforms assist with listings, verification, and smart building access. 9. 42. Renewable mini-grids. Solar mini-grids power villages and remote areas with cleaner energy. 43. Digital compliance systems. KYC, tax filing, and compliance software help simplify business operations. 44. Supply chain transparency tech. Traceability tools improve Rwanda's export sector for coffee and tea. 45. Language technology. Kinyarwanda speech-to-text and NLP systems are emerging for cultural preservation and digital inclusion. 46. Open data platforms. Government and research open data platforms support analysis and innovation. 47. Mobile telecom services. Mobile loans, banking, fintech, and communication services remain essential enablers. 10. 48. Digital workforce and skills tech. Coding academies, robotics labs, then AI bootcamps prepare Rwanda's future workforce. 49. Startup accelerators and innovation hubs. Norscan Africa, K-Lab, and university incubators support entrepreneurs developing new solutions. 50. Future-oriented AI ecosystems. Research collaborations, open-source AI communities, and data science groups build the foundation for Rwanda's next tech chapter. Rwanda's adoption of emerging technologies shows a clear national vision to build a more